to be friends.
Hey guys, it's Jazz. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, subscribe, because why not? Like, you already watched this video, you already clicked on this video, you might as well like, you might as well comment, you might as well turn the post notifications on so you can be notified when I drop another video, because I'm dropping video on video on video on video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I made these jeans. On Pinterest, they call it cross-chain jeans. So these cross-chain jeans. And I'm going to show y'all the inspiration. Y'all already know I had to switch it up because I'm not finna do the same exact thing that they did. So I switched up the color and I switched up the chain. So I'm just going to show y'all how I made these pants. And these pants are very easy to make. And I know y'all can make these pants if y'all want them. Like, y'all can make these pants if y'all want them. And y'all really slick don't even need a sewing machine, because you don't really have to sew the edges down. So before we get into this video, like, comment, subscribe, and everything. And let's just get into it. Okay, so I got these jeans from the thrift store, obviously. Y'all all know this. I got the jeans from the thrift store. I got these out the men's section, but they're flare out, so I don't know. But they were $5.99 and size 5'6". I don't know what that is, but I didn't like how the pants were flare out at the bottom because it wasn't a look. So I just like took out the flare out part by making it skinnier. And yeah, after that all I did was take the jeans, turn them to the side, and cut down the sides. And I cut all the way down just a little under the bottom pocket. So I did that to both sides. After I did that to both sides, I wanted to try out this new thing that I saw at Walmart, and it's called Ultra Bond tape. So basically it's just a tape that you use instead of sewing. You peel off the backing and you're supposed to put the fabric over and iron it, and then it's supposed to stay together. Basically it's like you gluing the fabrics together, like heat gluing the fabrics together. It didn't work. It did not work at all. And on the instructions it literally says, do not sew this material. So it don't work. I can barely take all the stuff off, and I'm not supposed to sew it, like, but I still sewed it. So I just pinned, instead of using the tape. Y'all, don't buy the tape, because it don't work. So all I did after that, I just pinned the two sides down just so it can be a cleaner look. But I feel like you don't really have to do this. Like, I really didn't have to do this, but I wanted it to be cleaner, like a cleaner, girlier look, not like a streetwear boy-y look, if you know what I'm saying. After I pinned the sides, all I did was sew it. Okay, so after I sewed the two sides, this is where it gets crucial. So I went to Home Depot, and no, Lowe's. We don't have a Home Depot down here. I went to Lowe's and bought an eyelet kit. And if you don't know what an eyelet is, it's basically metal that you could put through fabric and stuff, like, so it can look like this. I know some of y'all got these on y'all, I don't know, jackets, pants, you know. So first you want to see where you're gonna set it up at, like where you want each eyelet to be. Okay. And after you figure out where you want all the eyelets to be, 3 tools come in the kit. it. You take this tool first. This is the cutter. You want to take this and put it where you want it, the hole to be, because it's just going to cut the hole so the eyelet can fit through. You put this on the fabric. Well, I put this on the fabric and hammered it down, but my jeans were a little too thick for this to actually go through it, so you can see it made it cut half a circle, and I just used the scissors to cut the rest of the half of the circle. So after that, a circle is there. A circle is there. Okay, so once you cut the hole through the pants, you want to flip the pants over so the inside can be facing you and a good face inside can be facing the table. I set this on here like this, and then I put the jean over this. And once the jean is over this, I put the thinnest part over that. Bam. So it should be like, it's like layers. This tool is the first layer. This eyelet is the second layer. The jean is the third layer, imaginary jean right here. And this is the fourth layer. And once you have that, once you have all this then goes on top like that. Bam. And once you have this, and you just hammer it down. After I hammered it down, that one was done. Literally, that one was done. So the pants really already 75% done, really. And after I did that one, I had to go outside, y'all, because it was super loud, super loud. So after I did that one for y'all on the camera, I had to go outside on my balcony and finish the rest. And y'all, as y'all can see, this pack only came with 12, so I had to end up going to Lowe's and buying another pack. So all in all, I used 25 on each side. And after I had all the eyelets done, all I had to do was string the chain through. And I got this chain from Hobby Lobby. You can get your chain from anywhere. Anywhere. I cut 2 equal pieces, one for one side, one for the other side, and strung it through like a shoe. Once I got to the top, I just tied it in a knot. But later on, I just connected the links, the end of the links, tied it up so it can fit my waist. And I'm done. Like, I was done. After all that, here's the final result. I ain't gonna lie, the only thing I wish about these pants, I wish they was longer, because I feel like they would look a little better if they was like a little longer. Like I'm so tall that no pants really be fitting how I want them to fit, because they be short or like very close to high water. Very close. These pants were very close to high water after I made them skinny. Very close to high water, and I didn't really like that. That's the only reason I don't really like these pants. But I like the chain look. Like, I like the chain look, but I really wish I would have did them on some pants that was longer, if you get what I'm saying. But they still cute. And I also added some rips because it was looking a little plain without the rips. Like it was looking like some work pants or something, and I ain't like that. So I added some rips so they can look a little better. And yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all like the pants, let me know. Comment, like, subscribe. Let me know how y'all like the pants. These pants are very easy to make, and if y'all want me to do something else, like another trend or make something else, let me know. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all like this video. If y'all like these pants, like, comment, subscribe, and also follow my Instagram because I posted a look in these pants. Like, I posted a look. Follow my Instagram if you want to see this look. Like, these pants are cute. So yeah, just stay tuned for my next one.